I'm going to show you how you can center objects and text in Phonto. Let's open the app, and as you can see, I have text right here and I have a couple objects right here. So I'm just going to tap on the text, and then you're going to get this menu, move, and you have like these different arrows that you can tap on. But in this case, I'm just going to tap on these two right here on the bottom, 1 and 2, and it's going to be center. If you want to do the same with objects, you only have to tap on the whatever you want to move, and then tap on move 1 and 2, and it's gonna be centered. And we can do the same thing with this little one right here, move 1 and 2, and it's gonna be centered. That's how you can move around text and objects.